Hi besties, let's make this free trouser together. Here's the fabric I'm making use of. I have here 43 inches by 60 inches of fabric here. So I'm going to use this paper to explain how I'm going to fold it for you guys to see. So assuming this is the width of it, which is 43 inches, and this is the length of it, which is 60 inches. I'll just go ahead and fold it like so. Fold it into two, and I'm going to fold it into two again, making into 4 equal parts. Now I'm done folding my fabric. As you can see, this is the folded edge and this is the open edge. Now I'll go ahead and measure from the waistline here. I'm going to measure 14 inches downward. And on this line, I'm going to come in by 3 inches. I'm doing the same thing on the waistline, 3 inches inward. So I'm going to connect the two lines, the 2 points together like so. After that, I'm going to create my cross cuff, just like this. So now I'm going to cut it out. So after cutting my crotch, I'm going to measure 2 inches downward from my waistline on the front part. I'm going to connect like so. After connecting, I'm going to cut it off. So after cutting like so, I'm going to open this side as well. I'm going to spread it just like this. So I'll go ahead and stitch from here to here with 1/2 inch, which is my crotch. I'm done stitching it, as you can see. Just watch what I'm doing here. I'll just open it like this for me to stitch both sides. Place it like this. I'm going to stitch the both sides with 1/2 inch from the waist to the down part. I'm done stitching both sides, as you can see. I'm going to turn to the right side. After turning it to the right side, I'll go ahead and hem the bottom of my trouser. Double fold it, fold 1/2 inch, and I'm going to fold 1 inch again, making 1.5. I'm doing the same thing on the second leg. I'm done hemming the bottom of my trouser, as you can see. So I'll move ahead to my waistline. I'm going to double fold my waistline too. I'm going to stitch with elastic. Fold 1/2 inch and I'm going to fold 1 inch, making 1.5 inch. Just like so. And to know the amount of elastic I'm making use of, I'm going to deduct 8 inches from my waist circumference and add 1 inch to it for seam allowance. So I'm going to cut it off now. Place it on each other and stitch. And I'm going to fix it to my trouser. After doing that, I'll come and show you the finishing look of it. Here's the finishing look of it, guys. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like it, share it to make it go viral, leave a comment down below for me to know if you are getting 1 or 2 things from my video, and follow me for more videos. Till I see you in my next video, guys. Bye for now.